All right, counsel.
Judge, when this originally was sent down to the staff on the second floor,
Mhm.
they put in the number of days for the order, which is 45 days.
Mhm.
And that's not long enough for us to even get a license back from DPS. So we're wanting to just amend it to enlarge the period of time.
So you want to extend it for a year?
That's the period of time of the suspension.
No, I mean, so it was for 45 days
Right, that's what it.
and now you want it to be a year. I mean,
Right,
how
that's what
much
we had
time are you
requested
asking?
initially?
All right, if it was 45 days, that's what you all had agreed upon, or did someone change?
No, we don't have anything to do with that.
All right, could I see the original motion on this, please? If y'all are able to. All right, if you bring the original for me, I'll review it.
Okay,
All right.
let me take that. with me.
All right, who's here on Alvo?
This is a civil one. You would.
Wants to approach.
Yes, Mr. Tucker, come down. Hello,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
Judge, just to let the court know, we're gonna be pleading true to condition number 2 going open to the court
All right.
with a explanation.
All right. Court is calling 2023 CR 4059, State of Texas versus Alvo Lafayette Tucker III. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
for the defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Tucker.
And are you Mr. Tucker?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same Alvo Lafayette Tucker III who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4059 for the offense of burglary of a habitation force on June 20th, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, which allegations are you proceeding on?
Violated condition number 2 at the top. Your Honor.
Yes.
On or about the 4th day of August, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Alvo Lafayette Tucker III, the defendant may or failed to submit the drug test as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Sure, Your Honor.
We'll waiver any violated conditions.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
We're requesting adjudication and revocation.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we're asking that Mr. Tucker be placed back on deferred adjudication. I'd like to place him under oath so I can ask him some questions so we can enlighten the court with what's going on in his life.
All right, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Alvo Lafayette Tucker III.
All right, defense.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Tucker, how are you employed right now?
I'm currently have my own lawn care service through a business partner. He has a successful roofing company.
Okay, how long you been doing that type of work?
Well, it's I've been doing this type of work for some years, but owning my own is still new, but it's successful as of now.
Okay, you got placed on deferred adjudication back, I think, in September of last year. Does that sound correct?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell the court what is going on that caused you to not report for the months of, I believe it was August and whatever the months we just talked about?
Yes, sir. Oh, at that time, I did not have a successful lawn care service. I was doing roofing, but it was by contract only. So if I made a sale, I would get paid. It wasn't like an everyday payout.
And why didn't you report?
I I had a lot of things going on, places to live and just being ignorant, I guess. There's no other way around it.
I don't understand why not pick up the phone and call probation.
I didn't have a phone at the time. And I did reach out to Miss Smith several times. I've talked to her. I've went in, but I was never asked to submit a urine sample.
And how often did you report to probation,
Um,
roughly?
Whenever she would call, I would go in and report. I would report. I think it was just twice or something like that I missed. I'm not sure.
Okay, and if you were placed back on deferred adjudication, what assurances does the court have that you're gonna be actually following the rules of probation, reporting every month, doing what you're supposed to be doing? What has changed since last year?
Financially, I'm more capable of completing the payment out, and I know it's actually really serious. It's serious. I took it for granted, and I understand now the consequences that are against me. And if placed back on probation, I'm gonna make it my first obligation to take care of that and to see it through the end.
And how long have you been incarcerated for?
4 weeks.
4 weeks, okay. Anything else you want to tell the judge about why you should be placed back on deferred adjudication?
Well, just to see my business through that I just got going up and going, and get home to my family and complete this probation. My dad always told me God's never gonna put anything on me that I can't handle. I think I can handle it, and I'm ready to see it through. If you're willing, that I may do that.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
State?
So what changed from September of last year to today?
Um,
Now can handle it because of you, they explained everything to you
yes,
about how to be on probation and what you
Yes.
gotta do and the severity of facing 2 to 20 years. So what's the biggest difference?
well, the biggest difference is now I know I have a base income because I actually am in charge of what I can do to give.
So you're just saying your employment is the only difference from back in September of last year to today?
No, not just employment, just my mindset too. And
Your mindset now.
Yes, sir. The severity of the situation.
So your mindset wasn't correct last December when you didn't report, or January or February or March or April and May of this year that you didn't report. But now it's changed.
Well, it was set, but it's just sometimes I forgot or didn't just call in, but
And why did you forget?
I had other things going on. Probably was like on a roof or doing something.
That was more important.
Well, I can't say it was more important because this is very important. Yeah, I do understand that.
I mean, allegations are here that you also committed 2 other different crimes. You didn't plead true to that, but that's the allegations. That were you arrested for those 2 crimes?
No,
You weren't arrested for
No.
those? Okay. That they happened on January 14th, 2024?
I'm thinking so. Not sure.
No further questions, John.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, lastly, Mr. Tucker, you talked about with the prosecutor that you're employed now, you have the ability to be employed,
Yes,
to make money, to do what you have to do on probation.
yes.
You were only on for a couple of months before you didn't report, that type of thing.
So,
So once again, I just want to make sure you're clear with the court. What has changed that's going to allow you to be successful on your deferred? If you're placed back on deferred adjudication.
everything has changed. I'm just wanting to do the right thing and complete it out.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, any other questions? All right, this is what the court is gonna do. I'm gonna give you a choice. Here are your choices. 1, I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to prison for 3 years. You receive credit for any time served. 2, I will continue you, but you're gonna be found guilty. I'm revoking your deferred adjudication. And the revocation of your deferred adjudication is punishment. because you need to understand that you're not allowed to do whatever you want to do.
Correct.
So it will be a guilty conviction either way. But I'm not going to allow you to remain on deferred.
So,
Do you wish to speak to your attorney?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
All right.
Can we step back for a moment, Judge?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Yes,
You said you were gonna call him.
I have called him. I'm just waiting for him to text me back. So it's going to happen today.
I would.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
This moment's huge. The judge warns that if no deal is struck, we're heading for a jury trial. That's not just casual scheduling, it's a pressure tactic. Courts set tight deadlines to force negotiation. Strategy or strong-arm move, you decide. But remember, 95% of criminal cases end in plea deals, not trials. That's the system in action.
All right, Mr. Young, is your client Cabrera at the Bear County Jail?
She is in the Bear County Jail, John.
All right, just 1 second. Norma?
Yeah.
Are you able to set up a Zoom for this person?
Yes, ma'am, if you can just give it, I'll take that.
All right.
Give me just a minute.
All right, they'll set up a Zoom and then I'll do my interview.
And for various reasons, I cannot do it this afternoon.
Oh, I can't do it this afternoon either. So if you'll give it to Ms. Ferguson, she'll see if she can get it done now. Okay. State, have you, it's Criminal Trial Division, have you had a chance to review this violation report on Sergio Barrera?
Daughter, is your intern today?
Yes. James, this is John.
Judge, we have an answer for you, Mr. Tucker.
All right, if you all will come forward. We're back on the record and 2023 CR 4059. Mr. Tucker, have you had a chance to confer with your attorney
Yes, ma'am, I did.
and Mr. Dillion?
Judge, we want to take the option that puts him back on probation. He believes he will be successful on that and wants that opportunity. We'd ask the court to potentially put him on for probation for the next 40 years. Up to the court, of course.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. State, any input as to the length of probation?
Judge, state of your
All right. And defense, I know you're recommending 2.
4, Judge.
I'm sorry, 4.
Reasonable.
All right. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. Of course, if everything is completed, then you can always come back to the court. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, No employment as a home health care provider with minors. He's to do the trauma assessment. I see that was what was recommended. That's to be done in custody. Transfer to Victoria County.
Is that correct? Where do you live in Bear County?
I'm gonna live in Bear County.
All right.
I live here.
All right, then no transfer to Victoria County. There's to be no contact with the complainant.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry, State, you may be excused. Thank you. There's to be field visits. One time per month. For 3 months. And that'll be after release from GPS. And GPS, that will be partial
Yes, ma'am.
for employment. And that will be through work release. And I'll ask that fees are waived. So on GPS, you're only allowed to work and report to your probation officer. That is it.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not allowed to go to the grocery store. You're going to have to do Uber Eats or whatever else, or have somebody else do it for you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation. Is there anything else?
How long is the GPS, Judge?
We're going to do GPS for 90 days. And then after, yes.
We be asking for a no contact order with Target and Live Oak.
All right, there's to be no contact with Target. Do you say Target in Live Oak or the Target in Live Oak?
Target and Live Oak.
All right. What we're gonna do is you're just not able to go to Target.
Right. I can't go anywhere anyway, remember?
Or as people say, Target. So there's to be no contact with Target. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right. And then there will be GPS for the 90 days. And then probation, after those 90 days are up, then you can start the home visits if you choose. All right, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were in deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, we can go off the record. I don't do zero tolerance. Either you're gonna do right or you're not.
I understand.
Do not come back here. If you come back here, you're looking at a maximum of 10 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You had better make sure that you report when you're supposed to report. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Appreciate it.
I like you a lot, but I'm not gonna see you again in here.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Have a blessed, fourth.
All right, thank you. You too. Okay.
Renee, he's on.
Okay, awesome.
I didn't know.
No, have I already heard the case?
No, I just know if you wanted to talk to him.
Oh, no. All right, thank you. All right, your client will be zooming in shortly.
Today?
Yes,
Okay.
all right.
Do you want the prosecutor that signed off on
Oh,
that?
sure, have him come up.
That's Jordan Brown. I'll give him a call.
Yeah, see if he can come down.
No, I've got his number.
Okay, awesome. Everyone, it is 11. The court is recessing at 12, not 12:01 or 12:05, 12. Mr. De Leon, are you done with us for today?
I believe so, Judge. I have to run to 144th.
Oh, well, hey, the 4th is upon us. I always tell people, do not hold firecrackers in your hand.
bad idea to do.
You know,
that.
they have a commercial out now where somebody is trying to light one of those, I guess, the rocket things.
Mhm.
And then the guy leans over it saying, oh my gosh, I don't understand why this isn't working. So let's not do any of that.
Yes.
I don't even think they have the black hats. Do they still sell the black hats?
They do.
I remember you would light those, you're supposed to, and people would hold it in their hand and then throw it.